Audi's active sphere EV concept is built for off-roading and augmented reality. You'd even drive wearing smart glasses. Okay, this thing was all over my feed. It is extremely cool looking. And the tire and wheel setup, it has me feeling like my Model S right now.
Yeah.
Where you have like a really sleek sedan looking thing, but you get a little more rubber on it. You know, like it's really, I don't know, it's weirdly appealing to me. Maybe I'll be the first guy to try to lift a Tesla Model S so it looks exactly like that. I mean, but this thing, how are you going to even look exactly? Look at this world premiere on this baby right here. Like, this is turning heads, man.
It looks so sleek.
They keep trying to figure out, how do we do sleek and rugged at the same time?
Yeah.
How do we go anywhere, but then also look amazing on the road? And it's weird how lines and shapes actually create that aura for us. Like somehow this does both. Somehow it looks sleek and fast. Somehow it looks elegant and sophisticated, but then at the same time it looks mean and dirty. What a wonderful combination of things. The interior, extremely futuristic, red gradient. Steering wheel, does it pop out?
It does. Yeah, the whole console comes out.
And we've seen this type of thing before. It looks as well like you have a pass-through so you can see. See, this is the thing you worry about, Will, when you're driving your Model 3. I can't see right below the bumper. I don't have the ultrasonics.
Yeah.
But if you look inside this vehicle, there's all types of visual pass-throughs, including that one below the windshield. So you can actually see just above the bumper.
Yeah, that's what it's made for.
Yeah, I say, if you're going to run over a bike or something like this, obviously there's all kinds of smart systems to help you avoid that as well, I presume. But listen, everybody's pumped about this thing. Most of the specifications are still not available. This is a concept after all. This is one of those ones where I'm starting to feel that people have such a taste for the future that some concepts are actually coming to reality, or the items that or products that end up being made are closer than ever to concepts in 2023, which is a good thing, because once upon a time, they weren't even close.
They were far out.
The concept and what eventually got made, now this stuff.
I mean, this augmented reality. They want you to have a headset.
Well, let's not get, let's, listen, I appreciate the imagination and I appreciate the ambition. Okay, let's leave it at that. Most of the specifications are not available. However, Audi claims a range of more than 372 miles and a fast 270 kilowatt charging using an 800 volt architecture, of course. 100 kilowatt hour battery pack, charged from 5% to 80 in 25 minutes, Audi says. This is the fourth model in Audi's Sphere electric concept line. The company kicked off the initiative with shape-shifting Sky Sphere Roadster in August 2021. I remember, we've seen these things continue to come through. It's going to take some time. The brand expects to dramatically expand its electric offerings by 2026. Well, we can see them. We can hold for them. We can hold off. I just hope that they end up being something close to the concept.
Yeah.